Welcome back, guys. Tony from National RV Detroit. Check out this 42-foot Salem villa. This is a 42-foot with the quad bunkhouse, the biggest bunk you can get in any trailer. This is probably one of the biggest fridges you can get too. I'm just kidding. We got a couple other ones that got fridges this big. This is a Whirlpool residential style fridge. Nice big pantry here. I love the farm door. Check out the bunkhouse. So you get two bunks on this side. This bunk lifts up. You get all this storage on this back wall. You come out a TV, big dresser drawer. And then on this side, this is actually your screen door for your sliding glass door. This has a sliding glass residential door on the outside because you're going to have this on a seasonal site or some property set up. So we take this off for transport just so it doesn't blow off in the wind. But you got a bunk up top, couch below. This bunk lifts up out of the way. And then this makes into a queen size bed back here. So you have a queen size bed, bunk here, bunk here, bunk here. And you can sleep 5-6 people back here easily. And then here's a half bath with an entrance door from the outside. Easy access in and out for your guests or your kids. Or if you have the older kids or if you have family members that come with you, this one will be perfect. Huge, massive windows. All these windows open up all the way around. This is a Versa lounge, so you get a couch and a dinette. This back piece pulls out, flips around, comes over here, and then makes it into a U-shaped dinette when it's time to eat. And then you have storage underneath here, if I can get it open. 3 big storage bins right here, and then 2 more down here. So you get 5 Stow and Go storage bins that come with it, just for extra storage. You can put a 42-inch TV right here on a swivel mount, so you can get a good view over here. Bluetooth Soundbar, Fireplace that produces heat. Oh, I forgot some lights. Look at that. Oh, I love those lights too. Good thing I just seen them. Oh, you get a ceiling fan in this one. Residential LG microwave. Here's your sliding glass door. This is your main bath. Nice high ceilings in here. Higher ceilings than most. You get your built-in vacuum system here. Comes with all the hose attachments that you need and the built-in dustpan sweeper underneath that sucks everything into a filter for you. Your third entrance door going right into your master. Look at this queen size bed up at the front. I like that comforter. Like how there's shelves on each side of the bed. USB ports, outlets, and you get a nice big closet up front here too. Check her out. Nice dresser drawers. Oh, look at that. You get hubcaps that come with it. Give it a little classier look on the outside. There's your book with everything in here. Third entrance door, 2 ACs. Yeah, this thing's sharp. And you get an outside kitchen with it. I'll show you the front real quick. Start at the front. I love how they do these lantern lights. Looks like a little cabin on wheels, right? Pretty neat. Big power awning. It's got an LED white light strip that goes all the way down. This door goes into your bedroom. Here's your sliding glass door that's tinted. And you get your third door for your half bath. And then look at the outside kitchen. You get a huge outside kitchen on this one. Some storage bins out here. You got netting up above for more storage. You got hooks back here. Hang up your s'more cookers. Bigger style mini fridge outside. You can even put a TV out here if you wanted to. There's a backer behind here. Outlets and your cable outlet. And then you have a sink with hot and cold water. And you do get a grill with this one. Bumper mount style grill. This swings all the way over. The mount is super long. It comes out to about right here. So you're right at your outside kitchen here. On your site. Having fun. Kids are playing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know if you need delivery available. I can deliver to any state.